how much should you actually spend on a low-profile ceiling fan? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Amico Smart Ceiling Fan. The Amico ceiling fan with lights is a sleek 42-inch fan that caught my eye with its modern design and impressive energy efficiency. Priced at $55.99, it's on the affordable side, especially for what it offers. If you want a stylish fan that also keeps your energy bills low, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Amico fan comes with a remote control that lets you adjust the speed across 6 levels and choose from 3 color temperatures, 3000K, 4000K, and 6000K. This means you can set the perfect ambiance for any occasion without needing to get up. Plus, at just 35 decibels, it operates quietly, making it ideal for light sleepers or families with babies. And with over 3,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you're somewhat handy and follow the detailed instructions, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just be prepared to take your time. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly fan that doesn't sacrifice style or efficiency. Skip this one if you need an extravagant design or additional smart features. For the price, it offers great value for money. Now, if the Amico's size is a concern for smaller spaces, the next one on my list might actually be a better fit for tighter areas.
Product number 2, Zimashibo Mini Ceiling Fan. The Zimashibo ceiling fan with lights is compact at 19.7 inches and comes with a modern design in black for just $53.99. The size makes it perfect for smaller rooms or cozy corners. If you want something that fits easily and still packs a punch, this fan is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This fan features LED lights that can dim from 10% to 100% brightness, which is super handy when you want just the right amount of light for different activities. The 6 wind speeds ensure that you'll find the perfect airflow, and it runs quietly thanks to its pure copper motor. With more than 2,000 units sold recently, it shows that people appreciate its efficiency and sleek look. Now, some folks mentioned that the remote control can be a bit sensitive. Here's the thing, while it may take a little getting used to, once you do, it works like a charm for controlling both the fan and light separately. This is perfect for you if you're tight on space but still want a functional, stylish ceiling fan. Skip this one if you prefer larger fans or need higher airflow for bigger rooms. It's a solid pick considering its features and price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more traditional look, but with modern features.
Product number 3, Zimashibo 52-inch Ceiling Fan. The Zimashibo 52-inch ceiling fan with light is a smart choice for larger spaces, costing $59.99. It caught my attention with its elegant design and functionality. If you want to cool down a bigger area while adding style, this fan is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This fan has an impressive airflow of 3,057 cubic feet per minute, which is perfect for rooms that need extra cooling. The LED light is energy efficient and can be dimmed from 10% to 100%, allowing you to set the mood just right. Plus, the quiet operation helps you enjoy the breeze without annoying noise, which is essential for living rooms or bedrooms. Its popularity shows with over 1,000 units sold recently. Now, some users found the installation a bit complicated. Here's the thing though. While it may take some time, the detailed instructions make it manageable. It's a minor inconvenience for what you get in return. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish fan that can cool larger spaces efficiently. Skip this one if you live in a very small room and prefer a mini fan instead. The performance and features offer excellent value for the price. Now, if you're looking for something that blends modern tech with sleek design, the next option might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Posky Ceiling Fan. The Posky ceiling fan with lights offers a generous 52-inch size and a price tag of $59.99. It's designed to blend seamlessly into any space while delivering functionality. If you want a fan that combines style and performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Posky fan includes a remote control that lets you adjust the fan speed and light brightness, which is a game changer for customizing your environment. It operates at a very low noise level, perfect for light sleepers. Plus, it comes with a reversible motor, making it great for year-round use, whether you want cooling in the summer or warmth in the winter. With over 1,000 sales in the last month, it's clearly a favorite. Now, some customers pointed out that it might not be suitable for very high ceilings. Here's the thing. If you have a standard ceiling height, it should work just fine. But if you're in a space with high ceilings, you may want to consider an extension. This is perfect for you if you want a functional fan that doesn't compromise on looks. Skip this one if your ceilings are particularly high, as it might not be the best fit. For the features and quality, it's a solid value. Alright, that was an interesting option, but if you're really into smart tech, the next fan is something you'll definitely want to check out.
Product number 5, Govee Smart Ceiling Fan. The Govee Ceiling Fan with lights is a standout option priced at $189.99, and it caught my eye with its smart features and stylish design. If you want a fan that's not just functional, but also a tech-savvy addition to your home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This fan features RGB IC lighting that allows you to customize colors and brightness to match your mood or decor. It delivers powerful airflow with a maximum of 5,000 CFM, ensuring you stay cool even on the hottest days. Plus, it's compatible with smart home systems like Alexa and Google Assistant, making it easy to control. It's evident why over 1,000 have been sold in the past month. Its features are impressive. Now, some users have mentioned occasional connectivity issues with smart features. Here's the thing. While it can happen, it doesn't affect the fan's primary functions, so you can still enjoy the airflow and lighting. This is perfect for you if you want a fan that's both stylish and integrates with your smart home setup. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler fan without all the tech. It's a premium option, but the features justify the price for tech enthusiasts.
So there you have it, 5 fantastic low-profile ceiling fans, each with unique features catering to different needs. From the budget-friendly Amico to the tech-savvy Govee, there's something for everyone. Make your choice based on your space and style, and enjoy the comfort these fans bring.